What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've got another ride and review for you today. Going to meet the cake dealer at pop-up Omakase joint. I'm now becoming Omakase Prime. We're going to a place called USHIWAKAMARU. It's a mouthful. USHIWAKAMARU. The guy it's a pop-up. It's not like an all-the-time restaurant. It's a pop-up. It's been going on since May. They are, I think they're planning to go until like November. And then they might re-up it after that, like every 6 months. The chef is well known. He is a Michelin-starred chef. I don't know if he got 1, 2, 3 stars, but he's been a fixture in the sushi scene in New York since like the early 90s. He's been around. It's going to be a little bit more of a traditional style, I think. It'll probably be less fancy toppings and craziness. You coming? And a little bit more along the lines of like straight up, real fresh, real nice pieces of fish. And I'm kind of excited for it. A little bit different than what we've been doing normally in these omakases. See, I know they have several different menus to choose from. Like they have like a 10 course, a 12, 14, 16 and 20. I think depending on how big you go, you might get dessert with it. We'll probably go right in the middle, you know, see how it goes for our first visit here. We just did this last minute. Figured check it out. The cake dealer's going to Vietnam and Singapore for work for like 3 weeks or a little more. So this will be like our last meal in town together for a while. This place is right up on, it's right near Katz's Deli on the corner of, I think it's Ludlow and Houston. So I am on Houston right now, just heading west. Not far at all. Be a short ride and review. Got the Chimera out. It's a beautiful day. A little muggy, but it's still beautiful. The breeze is nice. It feels good. Let's see, this is Attorney Street here. Oh. Loud brapping over there. Some loud brapping. So I got the Chimera out. I'm getting a new battery for it. I should have it in a few days. I'm excited for that. It'll be the commuter pack, 36 volt. Probably get me double my range that I usually get with this current battery. A little bit lower top speed, but no worries. Let's see if I can sneak across here. Yeah, got it. That light takes forever. Let's see here. Taking this left here. This is Katz. Gone here before with you guys on Around the Hood in 8 minutes, I believe. One of the first episodes, maybe the first episode. All right, so this place is just up here on the right. It's at a place called BBF. It's a pop-up in the back. All right, here we go. This is it. See you on the inside. Go ahead. You pick. What is it? Yuzu.
Yuzu rambutan.
Yuzu rambutan martini.
This is Madai. Red snapper.
Thank you.
I put salt on the skillet.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. First time this year.
Oh, really?
This one third time.
Oh, you have a location. Thank you.
Oh, there he is. Cool. Beautiful.
Yeah, anyone joins, they let us try to campaign like. Yeah.
It's new customer. Usually experience.
Well, it could be like first.
It might be first.
As you're approaching them, or trying to like first one moves up to that. Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, no, he likes them. He's gonna sit down and
Oh, yeah.
I'm okay.
Little. Traditionally it's here. This is last piece.
I'd like to.
So our
That was really good. I could tell why this guy is like a renowned chef. Super talented, very good pieces. Again, it's funny because we just had the fresh sea eel and we just had the fresh sea trout at a different spot, and this place had them both. They were both excellent. The sea trout was probably my favorite piece of the day, with maybe the uni, the fresh uni. That was really good. This is so good, man. He gave us a lot too. We each got like half of a row of uni, which is incredible. Just shoveling it in. Is this guy gonna go? Also really liked the some of the earlier pieces. There was a snapper and there was a fluke on top of a shiso leaf. I love that. That was so good. This place is a little more expensive. We did 14. Yeah. We did 14 course, right in the middle, like I was saying earlier. Right in the middle, 14 courses. And that was like $180 a head. We also got some drinks, so it came out to a pretty pricey omakase meal. But given the quality, I think it's worth it. You can tell it's very different from the places we've been going to, which are a little bit more budget friendly. Just the quality of the fish and the pieces were just so much more high caliber. It's not to take away from the other places we've gone to, but you know, I can see the justification for the price. So check this place out. Jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com for the full review, the full write-up, all the pictures, everything. Oh yeah, and before I sign off, I forgot there was one really unique piece that I haven't had anywhere before. The giant clam. That's what you saw, the knife work going real fast and short. Cutting it up nice. Tenderizing it. That had a really nice texture snap to it. I mean, obviously I've had tons of clams in my life, but I never had a giant clam sushi style. They also had the ebi, the shrimp, but the shrimp was from Montauk, so local, and the guy said it's better than the botan from Japan. So that was kind of a surprise. But anyway, like I was saying, give this place a shot. Very good, worth the money. And as always, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.